All right, hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Ilya. Today we're going to talk about how to create an ebook and sell it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create an ebook for free, and then I'm going to show you how to sell that ebook for free also. So we're going to start with a website called Canva. So Canva is a free website. Well, you could pay to become premium, but it's really not necessary. So sign up for Canva, get a free account, and then it'll give you options. So let's go to the home page. Right now my screen is in French, but I'm gonna explain it anyway. Sometimes it translates to English, sometimes it doesn't. So here's the home page. When you sign up, this is what you get. You come here, it shows you the Canva site. You can create slideshows, t-shirts, book covers, posters, Instagram posts. So basically you put down whatever it is you want to create. If you want to create an ebook, you put down ebook. It's going to give you a template for that ebook. You just look through your search, but often it'll give you options right here. Social media, events, marketing, documents, impressions, video, school. So let's just try to find what we need. You can make book covers, logo, videos, anything. So today we're gonna do ebook, but this is basically where you come. I'm just gonna show you all the type of templates that it offers you for free. Great. And these are some of the things that I have created here. So when you come to here, you search ebook, you go to ebook, but I've already made one. So we're just going to go to my ebook, to one of my ebooks that I have created using this website. So we're going to go here. We will find that book. Let's use this book. We're going to use this book as an example. Once it loads, here we are. So this is one of my ebooks. I created it using Canva. I'm going to show you how I made this. So the first thing, if you want to make a cover page, you just go through here. You have your modules. So you come here and you get your models. There are paid ones and there are free ones. I always just go to the free ones. And you know it's free by looking right at the bottom here where it says gratuit. In English, free. So you go here, and if it doesn't have numbers at the bottom, like this one says 1 of 4. This one is just 1. So that means it's one cover. This one means there's 4 of them. So look, you open it, it shows you, it slides. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that's great because you get to pick the whole set, and that is the template that you'll have. So you come here and you get many different options that you can pick from of your module. Once you have your model, you can come here. If you need photos, you come here, you find your photos. You could also get your own photo. And so then you go to here, which are downloads and everything, and you'll have images and videos. So you go here to go into your file, and you can go into your file, you pick computer, and then you download whatever. And so I added some of my pictures here, I added some things. This one I downloaded from my laptop, and here it is. I made that my cover. And then I just wrote for writing into your cover, you just go into text. You go into text, you pick whatever text you want, it'll just pop up, and then you write whatever you want in there. And then you can change the font. So I'm going to click here. When you click on that text, you can move it around using this icon. I'm going to do that, boom, boom, boom. You can place it wherever you feel like. You can go in here, change the font, and then you can change the size. You can change the color, bold it, italize it, and The next page is from there. So what's really cool is that when you make the following pages, if you picked a template, let's say you picked a module that had one page, then you just have the one page. But if you picked a 5-page module or a 20-page module, it's going to give you all of those. So this one is page 2. Again, you open it, you write your text, da 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 da. You put your title page and everything like this. You can always edit out things that the model gives you to redesign it a bit. This one, you can decide to slide the page. Let's say you want page number 2 to become page number 1. You go like this, boom, now it's page number 1. You flip it back. If you love the template and the style of this page, you can just copy it to make your next page the exact same. So look, page 3 is gonna have the same as page 2. Everything will be the same. And then you just go in here on page 3 and change the text. And then if you want to delete it, you delete it. Boom. Just like that. So this is what mine looks like. Page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6. And down here, what's cool is the zoom. You can zoom in. Boom. Now everything's closer. If you want it even more closer. There we go. That way when you're texting, it's better to be close so you can read the words more. And so you can just go in here and text your words. And what's great is it automatically saves everything. It saves your progress. Another thing you can do is once you're happy with your product, you can go here and you can download it. You download the whole file, or you can choose to download a single page. So you go here, you pick what type you want. You have PDF, JPEG, PNG. So this is for all other types of things, but since we're doing ebooks, you want the PDF version. So you choose PDF, and then you can choose to download all the pages, or you can select which pages you want to download, and it'll directly download it within like a minute or 2, depending how large your file is. And it goes into your laptop or computer or phone, I think, and then boom, it's downloaded. Now you have it. You have it saved on this website. Whenever you need to return and work on it more, it's already saved on here. You just go to your home and you find it, and you find it along with all your other creations, and that way you can continue working on it. All right, so that's perfect. Now the next step, you've created your ebook. Yay, happiness. Now you want to monetize this ebook, so let's go and sell it. I have 2 places that I would suggest. Payhip.com. Payhip.com is free to use. So you set up a Payhip account, and this is where you list your books. So remember this book that I created? Let's just go here and edit it so I can show you how I added this book in there. So first, when you're adding a book, it's very simple. I love it. You upload the file right here. There, I uploaded the PDF file. You put your title, and my favorite part is you choose your price. You can choose $5 or whatever, but the best part is if you add a plus after it, it makes other people choose their price, but the minimum price is whatever you put before the plus. So here I put $5 plus. That means the minimum people can donate is $5, and they can pay as much as they want. So here you add your book cover, the description of your book, and then here are a few other details. The product is an ebook. This book is tax exempt. And then you can select anything that you want down here, and at the bottom you save the changes. And the next part, I'm going to take you through each step. So then your product pops up. You saw the products page. Here it is again. This is the products page where you have your books. And here are analytics. It shows you basically how your book's sales have been going throughout whatever time period you choose. Then we go to marketing. Here in marketing, this is a very important part. if you want to add a coupon to your book while you're advertising to people, you add your coupon code here. I don't have one. Here is a social discount. So you want to encourage people to share your book. So you offer them a discount, and you can go here, edit. So you choose the percentage off you want your buyers to have, and this is for them sharing it on social media, okay? So if whenever they share it on social media, they get a discount. So usually it's Facebook or Instagram. And this one is for affiliate marketers. By the way, I am looking for some affiliate marketers, and you have a unique experience here because you get to see the background work. So here's where you add affiliates. You come here, you sign them up, you put their email, you get their email address, add product. You see what products they are marketing for you. So here you put what books you want them to help you sell, and then you get to see their statistics, how well their products are doing. So let's just see how mine are doing. These people have made me $0. They're not doing so well for me. So you can find any affiliate marketing, recruit people, get them to basically, whenever they advertise your product, they get a little bit of money for that. So it's a win for them, and it's a win for me. And you can just come in here and plug in their information. You tell them to go and sign up with this link. You sign them up. It's gonna come back to you. You accept. If you need extra help, Payhip is great for showing you step by step how to do it. So I'm not gonna go too into detail. It's very straightforward. This is a mailing list. I don't have it set up. You usually have to pay for that, but to set up a mailing list, you have different type of mailing platforms. So you set up a mailing list here. That's also great for keeping track of your customers. Cross-selling. This is one of my favorites. Whenever someone buys a book, you can add them, upsell them, be like, okay, you bought this book, you can buy this book too for 5% discount, 10% discount. So this is really great. So you come here, you put your book, and you upsell them. And here you have referrals. So if someone refers your book to a friend, they get a discount when they purchased your book. And so you could also add that in there to make your sales that much more interesting. And upgrades is after they've bought one book, right as they're about to check out, they come here and it's gonna pop up on their screen, ooh, upgrade for a discount on these other books that this same author wrote. So it's another amazing way to market your products. And in here is where it shows you your customers, how much they paid, their information, whether their books went through, and all of that stuff. And then here is where you get your notifications. All right. So let's go back to dashboard. So that is how to use Payhip, and it's free and it's amazing. So whenever you have your book, you have your link. It has its own page. It has its own link right here. So you can always just copy and paste that link into wherever you're selling it, so that whenever a buyer comes, this is what they see. They come here, they see your details, they see your name, your book, they see the minimum price, buy now, add to cart. All the things are just here. It's very easy to use. It's amazing. So there you have it. That's Payhip. The next one that's also amazing is Amazon. Amazon KDP. So Kindle Direct Publishing is a great platform to publish your book onto Amazon. So you come here, you see your book, you add the book content, add your book cover, everything here. It tells you how to do everything. The paperback is just the paper version, so you can select, make an ebook. So let's just try a little bit here. Hopefully it's, yeah, so this is what it would look like when you're just about to put in all your information. It's got 3 steps. You put in all the info that it asks you, all the way to the end. So you keep going, and going. And then at the end, you save. And then you come here, and it'll just show you whether your book is live or not. And so it says here it's live in a Kindle store and is available for purchase. You have it at your price. You can even choose which Amazons, how many Amazons you want your book to be posted in. And here you can promote or advertise your book. It shows you promoting, enrolling in KDP Select, editing book, all of these fun stuff. And if you just decide that you're done with having your book on Amazon, you can unpublish this book. So there you have it. With Amazon, it's great because once your book is out there, other people can find your book without you having to share it to them. They can just go already on Amazon. They'll be like, ooh, look, this is a cool book. With Payhip, you more so have to do most of the advertising yourself. Amazon, you also have to advertise it yourself, but Payhip helps advertise your book. And back to Payhip for a moment, I'm just going to show you what this looks when you're in the dashboard. It shows you the amount of views your book has received. It shows you the amount of orders you've had for that book and the total amount of sales you've made on that book. So there you have it. How to make the ebook on Canva, how to put it on Payhip, and how to put it on Amazon. All right. So let me just talk about the book that I just did for a moment, and just the books in general that I write. The ebooks that I write, the money that I make off of these books, they're going towards a community project that I'm starting to build in Central Africa. With the virus, it's made things a little complicated, so I have to kind of like wait, and before I go traveling to find a destination. I grew up in Central Africa. Right now I'm thinking going back to Ghana and starting the project, and this will be to help families in need of education, or whether it's skills, because their education is not free in most of those countries. And I grew up there, and I just want to give back to my community, and by doing that I decided writing ebooks would be fun, it'd be nice. And so these ebooks are in many different topics. Black Reality, for example, is a book that I wrote about my reality as a black person. This was really an emotional hurdle for me to write, but it's good. I'm glad I did it. And so every profit that's made off of these books are amazing, because it's going to such a good cause and it's going to help so many people. I'm going to have so many programs set up for children and parents, people of all ages, to go to my community center and not have to pay to learn something, not have to pay to enjoy themselves. And that's the best part. They get to go there. It becomes their community, their home. And I, and along with many other people, will be able to provide them with the tools they need to grow as people. So if you can, please go and check out some of my books and donate as much as you can. If you can only donate $5 or $2, whatever the minimum price is for that book, that's already a huge help for me. So and feel free to tell your friends about my project. This is a really great thing that I'm trying to kickstart here, and the more help I get, the better. And so just to conclude, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. I'll be doing more content of different how-tos. I'll probably go back and have more videos about ebooks and different platforms and different ways to advertise your ebooks. But this is just the beginning. So please subscribe so that you can get more and more content. Wow, my hair looks so bad in this cover. Whatever. All right, thank you. Bye.